Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about the best data rooms for 2023. In this video, we'll discuss the factors to consider when choosing a data room, and we will review some of the top data rooms on the market. What is a data room? A data room is a secure online platform that businesses use to share confidential documents with others. Data rooms are commonly used for mergers and acquisitions, fundraising, and other types of business transactions. However, data room can also be used for general data storage and sharing. Factors to consider when choosing a data room. Security. Data rooms use industry standard security protocols to protect your data from unauthorized access. However, it's important to make sure that the data room you choose offers the security features that are important to you, such as encryption, access control, and audit trails. Features. Data room offer a variety of features such as document management, collaboration tool, and reporting tool. Consider the features that are important to you and to your business needs. Prices. Data rooms vary in price. Choose a data room that is affordable and that fits your budget. Ease of use. Data rooms should be easy to use for both you and your collaborators. Choose a data room that has a user-friendly interface and that's offer good customer support. Top data room for 2023. Intralinks. Intralinks is a leading provider of data room solution. It offers a wide range of features, including document management, collaboration tools, and reporting tools. Intralink is trusted by many large corporations and financial institutions. SecureDocs is another leading provider of data room solutions. It offers a user-friendly interface and a variety of security features. SecureDocs is a good choice for businesses of all sizes. Firmex is a data room provider that specializes in mergers and acquisitions. It offers a variety of features that are specifically designed for M&A transactions, such as due diligence tools and collaboration tools. Firmex is a good choice for businesses that are planning to merge or acquire another company. Dataset is a data room provider that provides a wide range of features and a global presence. It is a good choice for businesses that operate in multiple jurisdictions. Caplinked is a data room provider that is known for its ease of use and its affordable pricing. It is a good choice for small businesses and startups. Additional tips for using a data room. Read reviews. Before you choose a data room, read reviews from other users. This can help you to get an idea of the pros and cons of each data room. Free trial. Many data room providers offer a free trial. This is a good way to try out a data room before you commit to a paid subscription. Customer support. Make sure to choose a data room provider that offers good customer support. If you have any problems with the data room, you should be able to get help quickly and easily. Conclusion. The best data room for you will depend on your specific needs and budgets. However, the data rooms listed above all good choice and they offer a variety of features and security options. That's all. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Hope you understand this topic. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.